What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto for You. My name's Tony, and today I want to talk about Bitcoin. Look at this. Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs. We are currently pumping up. This is crazy. And I bet everybody knows why we are doing this, and that's because Donald Trump has just won the election. Harris has just conceded to Trump. Kamala is out of the race, and Donald Trump is president-elect officially, even though some states like Nevada and Arizona have not called their fully votes yet. So I believe Trump, even though he's right now at 295, he could go all the way to 312 electoral votes and he could slam the election. And this is really good for crypto, as you can already see. The money doesn't lie. Bitcoin is at all time highs. We're at 75,000. This is right over here. This was the day of the election. This is a huge green candle. In one day, Bitcoin went up 9%. That's not counting the previous day. Of course, we have a little bit drop down for now this day just opened an hour ago. Here's the total candle for us. And of course, after 9 days, we can see a little tiny drop down. But I don't care about this little tiny drop down in the short term because we have officially broken away from this bull flag on the weekly time frame that I've been talking about forever. And this bull flag on the weekly time frame could take us to my projected targets that I've talked about multiple times in the past. First of all, the most immediate target that Bitcoin could go to currently is $85,000 to $86,000. That's where I project Bitcoin to go to at first. This is the next huge level for Bitcoin, not just because of this target, but because now that we are past the previous all-time highs and we're in new territories, the only really big indicator you could use is a Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, and Fibonacci extension, wrong indicator, actually has levels up over here at $86,000. Number one, like I said already, it's a target, it's the one retracement, it's the target of this bull flag. But two, if I drag down the whole entire Fibonacci retracement to calculate from the beginning of the bull market rise at $15,000 to this mid-cycle top where Bitcoin stopped at previously, we have the 0.618 retracement, the golden ratio, my favorite number at $86,000, the exact target where Bitcoin's gonna go. So 0.618 is the huge level that Bitcoin's about to go to. That's my target currently. And of course, while we're going up there, we could have small crashes in the short term, but that's the target of this bull flag in the short term. In the longer time frame, this bull flag, of course, takes us even higher, which I've talked about as well. It has a target of $100 to $108,000, which is why I can put a big box right over here to just keep for future videos. That's where the target of this bull flag will probably take us. Not only that, but a lot of people are taking this whole entire bull cycle as one big indicator, a cup and handle, which is calculated by taking the neckline, which could be calculated as something like this, which we are currently testing, or even raising it up to the previous high and lowering this down, which shows that we're technically breaking out. And what we can see is calculated from the bottom of this cup to the top. We can see a target that takes us all the way up to $130,000, or my target saying $150,000. Anyway, Bitcoin is looking really bullish on the technicals. It's going up. We are breaking out of huge key technical analysis patterns. Targets are really bullish. But the interesting thing is Bitcoin's not the only thing that's going up. Because of this election, because of Kamala Harris conceding to Trump, not only crypto, but stocks are also all going up. We see mostly all stocks are going up, including Tesla, which went up 14% in the last 24 hours. Nvidia went up 4%, Google 4%, Microsoft 2%. The whole entire crypto and stock space are all going up. You can see that if I open up crypto and I just turn on this graph, whole entire crypto is mainly just going up, except for a couple of key coins. But even those coins have gone up in the election day. They just haven't gone as much. But most cryptocurrency coins, mainly in the top 300, are following Bitcoin closely and are also going up and are hugely positively impacted by this bullish election. And that's because Trump won this election, and many people associate Trump with being pro crypto, and he actually himself is pro crypto. He says it himself. So if I go down over here, he says, I quote, "I pledge to the Bitcoin community that I that the day I take the oath of office, Joe Biden and Kamala Harris' anti crypto crusade will be over. And I quote, we will have regulations, but from now on, the rules of crypto will be written by people who love your industry, not hate your industry. Basically, he's going to get rid of the bad anti crypto regulations and put in good regulations. He's going to fire SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, how he vows to do, and he's going to put in a good pro crypto SEC chairman to get crypto back up. You know, he also has his own crypto coin that he also is promoting. He has NFTs. He's pro crypto, and the whole entire economy is understanding that this is really bullish for the economy that Trump has just won. I found something really interesting though, and that's that silver and gold, compared to everything else, have fallen down. If I just turn off Bitcoin that I've plotted here in the past for silver, you can see silver on the day of election right over here has actually crashed compared to Bitcoin going up. And Bitcoin, if I put Bitcoin's price back on, you know already, has gone up. Now, silver usually correlates with Bitcoin, and silver actually usually starts the rises and falls, and Bitcoin follows silver usually, has actually decided to decouple from Bitcoin for the stay. And that's most likely because now that people are not confused about what's going to happen, now that uncertainty has disappeared from the market, silver is a longer term asset that's less volatile, is being sold and converted into Bitcoin, which people have high hopes for because of this pro crypto movement that we're seeing all over the America. And I believe that people are currently just exchanging their gold and silver for Bitcoin. By the way, speaking of gold, gold is also falling down. Gold is also in a current downtrend. Now, don't mistake this as gold is going to fall and we should sell gold and buy silver. No, I believe that this is just a short-term decline and gold is going to quickly catch up and continue its trajectory. Gold is already at all-time high. Look at this at 2,800. I believe we can reach 3,000 an ounce really, really soon. The whole crypto space is going up and this is really, really bullish. Now, of course, this is not the end. We still have life to go through. We still have more events coming up, including the Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting that's coming up in the next couple days. And many people currently project that we're going to have a 25-point correction, I believe, of a 25-point rate cut. Um, I want to see how people are going to react to this. This is going to be really interesting. This could cause Bitcoin to go up even more, or it could cause it to stop for a bit. I'm going to be watching Bitcoin closely. But with all these events, we can see that Bitcoin has a really good future ahead of itself. I think Bitcoin's about to reach $100,000 in the short term, and of course, 150 to maybe possibly even 212,000 in the longer time frames. If you want to know my prediction for Bitcoin, which still stands, watch my previous video, link in the description and in the top right corner of my video right now. You can click on that and watch this video. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are also excited about the future for Bitcoin. I'll be continuing to post updates about crypto, about what's happening. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!